Want to start a poultry farm? Whether you're a beginner or experienced, having the right tools is essential for success. Here are the must-have tools every poultry farmer should consider. These tools keep your chickens healthy and your business profitable. A clean coop is the foundation of success. Brooder with heat lamp. Keeps chicks warm and prevents early death, crucial during colder months. Automatic feeders and waterers. Save time and prevent waste. Ventilation system reduces heat stress. Nesting boxes, comfortable space for hens to lay eggs. Clean nesting boxes are essential for egg production and hygiene. Biosecurity tools, foot baths, disinfectants, prevent deadly diseases. Implementing these measures can save your flock. Missed anything? Comment below. Want more poultry farming tips? Hit like and follow for daily agri-hacks. Stay updated with the latest in poultry farming.